about one problem which I am giving the last class. The question is write a program to calculate, write a program to perform the arithmetic operation, to perform the arithmetic operation, arithmetic operation, perform the arithmetic operation like arithmetic operations are plus, minus, multiplications, divide, modulus, okay, of any two floating point number into floating point number using switch statement. Floating point number using switch statement. Okay, using switch statement. Okay, so the question the question is what trying to say we have to perform the arithmetic operations, but we have to calculate the addition, subtraction, division, multiplication of any two floating number. Floating number means what? Floating number is it's a decimal number. Okay. So floating number is known as what? Decimal number. For decimal number we have to take the float data type. Okay. So any two numbers. First you have to declare two variables for the number and for operator also. Okay. Which operator you are for? Plus, minus, multiplication, which one? For that, so we have to declare one operator that the data type is character. Okay. Any variables. OP just I am giving. Okay. So the solution is something like that. Okay. So we have a library functions in, okay, which is going to include the standard input, output dot h. Okay. So our logic is what? So first we have to give two values along with the operators. Okay. So just I am going to declare if you want to do in integer according to question, it is given as a floating point number, means decimal numbers. So I have declared any two numbers and then we required our operators. Just I am declaring the character data type. So if you want to give direct value, you can give the direct values. Okay, like okay. Otherwise you can use the concept of what? You can use the concept of user input values. Okay, so just I am trying to give you here only print of enter the value of value of a and b. Okay, so then so we can use the scanf. So this is a float, that's why I am using percentage f and a comma and b. So two values have been given by the user. Okay, and then we have to give the operators value. Again you try enter the value of which operation you have to do. So enter the arithmetic operators, arithmetic operator. Okay, so for that we have to write what is scanf. So character means we have to use percentage c and op. Okay, and op. So now we have to use the switch conditions. Okay, how to use in switch. So let's see. Okay, so now we have to use switch. How to apply the switch? So we have to pass the operator op value in switch. Okay, so op values are plus, minus, multiplications, division, subtraction. So same value we have to pass in the case. So ops are characters are always in single quotations. Okay, so now we have to calculate what? So this means what? Additions. So we have to calculate addition of two numbers, the a plus b, and then we have to print these values. So print f percentage f comma c, then we have to use break statement. Similarly we can perform both the subtraction, multiplication, division also. Okay, so for subtraction we can use float c is equals to a minus b. Okay, print f percentage f comma c, then break. Okay, similarly we can do for the multiplications. Okay, float c is equals to a into b. Okay, print f percentage of follow with c. Similarly we can do the for the division also. Float c is equals to a divided by this. Okay, then again print If you want to give different value also different operator means if you want to give C1, yes we can write any variables. So percentage of follow with C1. Any variables we can give. Then break statement. Okay. Similarly we can do for the modulus operator also percentage. We can see the normal percentage. Okay. So float E is equals to A modulus B. If you want to give different variables, we can give here different variables. So just print that value. So print of percentage of followed by E variables. Okay. Then we have to break. So at last, if no one condition is matched, okay, then there is a default section is there. So default sections. So there we can print the message that invalid operations. Invalid operations, then you have to close this one and close this bracket, then return 0 and this one. So in this way we can solve the switch problem, this particular programming with the help of switch condition. So what I did so far, we have two variables. It may be any data, but according to question is telling the floating point means decimal numbers. So we have to take decimal for decimal you have to take float numbers. If it is integer, you have to take the int. Okay. Then character OP. So we are just trying to pass these values in a case. So characters are always in single quotations. Okay. So in this way we can solve this. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channels. Okay. My channel name is Yes and Yes Lab. Thank you so much.